Good morning, class 11. Today we will start new chapter, which is permutation and combination. Chapter 7. This is a new chapter which have not studied till now. In this chapter, we will study about the arrangement of the given objects. Permutations and combinations, two words are here. You have to carefully study about permutation word and combination word. In the first two lectures, we will study about only permutations. What are the arrangements? What are the arrangements of the given objects? Here I have given two examples. We will just study NCERT first, then we'll go for the further. In this first example, this example is given in NCERT. You can read from there also. That I am explaining that example to you by using the tree method. Here 3 pants and 2 shirts are given to you. So many times you think about it, how many ways are there to wear combinations of these 3 pants and 2 shirts. Here I am discussing about the combinations of such type of ways. First is, here I have just plotted 3 lines P1, P2, P3 which will represent pants. First pant, second pant and third pant. As you in journal, in common sense, you can think about it. First pant can be worn by taking the shirt first and shirt second. I have plotted S1 and S2 here. You can take P1 fix and take S1 with P1. You are getting P1 S1. What is this? First pant and first shirt. Same pant will be there, P1, and you will take second shirt, S2. You can write it as P1 S2. For the second pant, I have written the notation P2, and this can be worn with by using S1 and S2, these two shirts. And you can write like this, P2 S1, P2 S2. Same way is here. Third pant, P3 is there, and S1, S2, two shirts are there. You can write P3 S1 first way and P3 S2 is the second way. If you calculate these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 ways are there to wear 3 pants and 2 shirts, and 6 ways you can calculate by using what? How many pants are there? 3 and 2 shirts. By multiplying 2 multiplied by 3, you are getting 6. By tree method, you are getting 6 ways, and by using 2 multiplied by 3, you are getting 6. Now discuss second example also here. Here 2 bags, school bags are given to you, B1, B2. 3 tiffins are given to you, tiffin boxes, T1, T2, T3, and 2 water bottles are given to you, W1, W2. It means B1, B2 is the name of bags, and T1, T2, T3 is the name of what? Tiffin boxes, and W1 and W2 are the water bottles. Okay. Now you have to make the combination, so you can take the 3 things with the different combinations. Here I have fixed first B1, then T1, T2, T3. 3 tiffin boxes are written as T1, T2, T3, and then further with the tiffin T1, I have written here in the tree form, that is W1 and W2, that represents what? Water bottles, W1, W2. Same with the T2, same with the T3, I have written here water bottles symbol. Now first of all, I have to take B1, then T1 and W1. First combination will be first bag, first tiffin and first water bottle. This is the first combination. You can take second combination will be B1, T1, both will be same, and you can change the water bottle, that will be W2. Second combination will be there. B1, then take T2, second combination of tiffin. With this, you can take both water bottles W1 and W2, 2 combination will be there. With the T3, again W1, W2, 2 combinations you will get. If you take second bag with the 3 tiffin boxes and 2 water bottles, same you will get B2, T1, W1 first case, B2 T1 W2 second case, B2 T2 W1 is the third case, and similarly you will get different cases which I have plotted here with the use of tree diagram. How many cases or how many combinations are there you will get from here? 6 combination with the bag first and 6 combination with the bag second. And how many items are given to you? 2 bags, 3 tiffin boxes and 2 water bottles. Multiply them, you are getting 12. And from tree diagram also you are getting 12. It means combinations can be calculated by using tree diagram and as well as by using the objects given to you. How many objects are given to you? Multiply them, you are getting 12. This way which I have used here to multiply 3 multiplied by 2, this way is known as a fundamental rule of counting. By using of counting, you can calculate the number of combinations or number of arrangements of the given objects. This is a fundamental basic of the permutation concept. In the example first, you can study about this fundamental rule of counting. Read the example number first. Above the example number first, explanation of the tree diagram is there. You can read that concept also. I have explained you in detail. The example number first is find the number of 4 letter words with or without meaning which can be formed out of the letters of the word ROSE, rose, where the repetition of the letter is not allowed. 4 letters are there in this word. You have to make the arrangement of these words in such a way that whether you are getting meaning of that word or not, the meaning of that word with or without meaning. Just you have to rearrange these words. How many ways are there to rearrange these words with or without meaning? This is very important. Sometimes students said that, ma'am, there is no meaning of this word, whether you have to count it or not to count it. It is clear written in the statement, with or without meaning. Both words you have to consider whether the word have meaning or whether the word don't have meaning. So rose word, how to arrange this rose word? By using the fundamental rule of counting. 4 letters are there, OROSE, 4 letters and 1 word is there. How to make the arrangement? Second condition is given, repetition of the letter is not allowed. You will not repeat the letter. If you have used once R, then you have not to use that R again. So here are 4 places to fill it. 4 boxes are here. You have to fill 4 places to make the word by using 4 letters. First place can be filled by any of the letter ROSE. And how many ways to fill the first place? 4 letters are there. It means 4 is the chance. And second, if 1 letter is put here and 3 letters are left, you can put here by the 3 ways. It means second box can be filled by using 3 letters and third box can be filled by 2, because 2 are already used, only 2 are left here. Third place can be filled by using any of which are left 2 letters. And last one is by 1. So 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. How many ways are there? 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, you are getting 24 combination, or you can 24 words which having meaning or without meaning. You can make by using these letters R, O, S and E. You can read this explanation. I have explained you. Read the explanation also. In the example number second, here one note is given. Read that note also. One note is given. If the repetition of the letters were allowed, how many words can be formed? One can easily understand that each of the 4 vacant places can be filled in the succession in 4 different ways. As I've told you, when the repetition is not allowed, once you have take the 4 letters, in the second case you will take 3 because 1 is already taken by you. Now here repetition is allowed. It means if you have taken first letter, that can be used in the second place also. It means when 4 chances are there to fill the first place, that letter which is placed here can be placed on the another place also. It means for the second place you can take again 4, third place you will take again 4 and 4. It means 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. If repetition is allowed, if ROSE can be repeated, then you can use a 4 by 4 by 4 and you can multiply these 4 fours. You will get 256 ways will be there to make the word by using ROS and E. Now example number second. Give 4 flags of different colors. How many different signals can be generated if a single signal requires the use of 2 flags, one below the other? It means 4 flags total given to you. You have to take only 2 flags and make the signal. 2 flags can be taken. Condition is what? One below the other. You can take any of 2 flags and all flags are of different colors. It means when you fill first place of the flag where 2 places are there, first place will be filled by taking any of 4 flags. It means 4 ways are there to fill the first place. For the second place, first place having a 1 flag, left are 3 flags only. It means 3 ways are there to fill the second place. First place having 4 ways to fill, and second place having 3 ways to fill. It means 4 multiplied by 3, you are getting 12 ways are there to make the such type of signal. In the third example, how many 2-digit even numbers can be formed from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 if the digits can be repeated? Digits को repeat करना है आपको. It means what? How many digits are given to you? 5 digits are given to you. If the digits can be repeated, okay. And second condition is number should be even number. Even number, okay. 2 numbers you have to fill here in 2 boxes. If you want to check whether the number is even number, then condition is what? Ones place digit will be filled by even number. If ones place digit will be filled by even number, it means then the number you will get, that will be the even number. Okay, this is the condition. So first place, ones place will be filled by what? By using 2 or 4 only, because even number is required. It will be 2 and 4 on the ones place. 2 possibilities are there to fill the ones place digit. At the tens place digit, how many ways are there to fill? Have what? Check. There will be as many ways as there are ways of filling 2 vacant places in succession by the 5 given digits. Here in this case, we start filling in unit place because of the option for this place are 2 and 4. As I told you, 2 and 4 are the only 2 way letters are 2 digits are there to fill at the ones place. This can be done in the 2 ways. This is told you, and following which the tens place can be filled by any of 5 digits in the in 5 different ways, as a digit can be repeated. Digits क्या लिखा हुआ है? Repeated है. It means what? First place, ones place can be filled by using 2, and second place, that is a tens place, will be filled by any of 5 because repetition is allowed. So that's why it is 5 into 2. Total ways are 10 ways. If repetition is not allowed, it means what? 2 ways are to fill the unit place, and in the second case, tens place can be filled by only 4 letters, and then you will get answer 4 into 2, that will be 8. So you must understand about it. 2 conditions are there. First is number should be even, second is repetition is there. Answer will be 10. If number is even number but repetition is not allowed, in that case you will get answer 2 into 4, that will be 8. Is it clear? Okay, now example number 4. Find the number of different signals that can be generated by arranging at least. Now here is the very important concept, that is at least word is there. You have to have a meaning clarity about it. At least means greater than equal to. At least means greater than equal to sign. It means you are generating by arranging at least 2 flags, means greater than equal to flags. Greater than equal to 2 flags. 2 or more than 2 flags. Okay. on a vertical step if 5 different flags are given to you. Now 5 flags are given to you. You have to make the arrangement of signal. You can say that is having 2 or more than 2 flags. It means first you have to take 2 flags arrangements, then 3 flags arrangements, then 4 flags arrangements, and maximum you can take 5 flags arrangement. It means you having different cases, calculate all different cases and add all arrangements, you will get the answer. Now first way is to get when you are taking 2 flags to make the signal. First having 4 places or 5 places, first is 5 into 4, that is 20. When you are making a signal of 3 colors, you are getting arrangement 5 into 4 into 3. Here it is written, yes, 5 into 4 into 3. And when you are continuing this concept, when you are taking 4 flags, then 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. And if you are taking 5 flags, then you are taking 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Add those 4 cases. In first case, when you're using 2 flags, then 3 flags, 4 flags, and 5 flags. You are getting 20 plus 60 plus 120 plus 120. You're getting 320 signals. You can get the 320 signals out of what? When 5 flags are given to you, to at least 2 flags are used in this case. Okay, this is a very good example. In this example, at least what is very important, I think you can understand how to calculate, how to apply the fundamental rule of counting to calculate the arrangements of the given objects. Now read the concept of this chapter, permutations and combinations. Read introduction, read theory of the concept, read fundamental rule way, and do examples as well as exercise. And I hope you can do exercise. And now thank you. Have a nice day. Have a knowledgeable day. Thank you very much.